Alright guys, it's happening again. You know that time of year when the internet goes wild with iPhone leaks? Well, buckle up because someone claims they caught the iPhone 17 Pro Max on video, straight from Apple's production line. Yeah, you heard that right. But is this the real deal or just another fake out? Let's dig in. With the 17th event just weeks away, the rumor mill is basically a boiling pot. This year, the Pro models are expected to rock an anti-reflective display, brand new screen tech, better battery life, tougher durability, and just overall smoother performance. Now, about that video that's blowing up online, it shows someone actually handling the iPhone 17 Pro Max on Weibo. At first glance, it looks super convincing, but when you really zoom in, it starts giving off cheap clone vibes. Still, the crazy part is, the design almost perfectly matches everything we've been hearing in leaks. And check this out. The back of the phone shows Apple going bold with a brand new camera, Island. It's bigger, it's bolder, and honestly, it's a huge shift. Why the massive bump? Rumor has it, both the Pro and Pro Max will pack a 48 megapixel telephoto camera. The Pro Max, though, might slide in a mechanical aperture, like a mini DSLR, change the background blur while you snap. Now, let's talk money. The iPhone 17 Pro is expected to start at $999, and the Pro Max at $1,199. But if new tariffs hit, we could see about a $50 bump. Either way, all eyes are on Apple right now. The pre-orders will start on September 12th, with launch day on September 19th. So, what do you think about these new iPhone 17 series? I want to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below with your theories. Smash that like button if you're hyped for the iPhone 17. And of course, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss my full breakdown once Apple makes it official. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss that.